Hey, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your market analysis for February 20th, 2010. Okay, looking at the SPY 6-month daily view. Quite an interesting week. We had a very decent rally. Last week we were stuck inside this triangle right here, and I said to just kind of watch out for any potential breakouts from this triangle. Now, I was expecting at least a downside break, given that the overall direction was down. But instead, we got an upside break, and I said, don't be surprised if we do get an upside break. But it ran on a lot longer than I expected. It even broke above the previous resistance right here. The only thing that's still keeping me hold on to the bearish stance is the volume. Volume has been below average or slightly below average, even though the market continues to go higher. So that's the only thing that makes me suspect of this rally, but that doesn't mean that the market can't rally on low volume either. Okay, it's just a matter of how long will this rally last. So next week, I just went into a 60-minute view. I do expect some kind of pullback, specifically because of the overbought stochastic. We've been pretty overbought for pretty much this entire week. So I do expect the market to at least come out of overbought, and as a result, probably pull back a bit. So here's the thing, right? We have several support levels to look for, somewhere around the 109.70 and this huge gap around the 108.80 area. If the market happens to pull back to either one of these two levels and it shows that buyers are coming back into this market, then sure, I'll take a stab at going long in this market. Maybe not too heavily, but at least I'll follow the direction of that trend. But if the market decides to plummet through all the support levels, especially around 108, then I'll remain bearish on the market, or at least consider start some more bearish trades in the market. So that's something that I'll be looking forward to next week. Another reason why I think the market can use a bounce or a pullback or a drop profit taking next week is, well, if you look at the VIX has pretty much been slaughtered, and volatility has dropped dramatically, and we're in a very oversold condition right here. Not to mention that the MACD is showing some bullish divergence. So if the VIX goes higher, then that usually means the market will go lower. So again, that's another clue that I'm looking at for a possible pullback or drop profit taking for next week. The only question is, will support level hold, or will we just completely plow through support levels? Okay, so if it plows through, then I'll continue my bearishness. But if it starts to bounce either around the 109, 110, or even the 108 and a half area, then I'll consider some bullish trades.